151. Say, O Prophet, come, let me recite to you what your Lord has forbidden to you. Do not associate others with him in worship. Do not fail to honor your parents. Do not kill your children for fear of poverty. We provide for you and for them. Do not come near indecencies openly or secretly. Do not take a human life made sacred by Allah except with legal right. This is what has been commanded to you. So perhaps you will understand. And do not come near the wealth of the orphan unless intending to enhance it until they attain maturity. Give full measure and weigh injustice. We never require any soul more than what it can afford. Whenever you speak, maintain justice, even regarding a close relative, and fulfill your covenant with Allah. This is what He has commanded you. So perhaps you will be mindful. Indeed, this is my path, perfectly straight. Follow it and do not follow other ways, for they will lead you away from His way. This is what has been commanded to you. So perhaps you will be conscious of Allah. Additionally, we gave Moses the scripture, completing the favor upon those who do not do good, detailing everything, and as a guide and a mercy, so perhaps they would be certain of meeting with their Lord. 155. This is a blessed book we have revealed, so follow it and be mindful of Allah, so you may be shown mercy. 156. And pagans can no longer say, scriptures were only revealed to two groups before us, and we were unaware of their teachings. 157. Nor can you say, if the scriptures had been revealed to us, we would have been better guided than they. Now there has come to you from your Lord a clear proof, a guide and mercy. Who then does more wrong than those who deny Allah's revelations and turn away from them? We will reward those who turn away from our revelations with a dreadful punishment for turning away. 158. Are they waiting for coming of the angels, or your Lord Himself, or some of your Lord's major signs? On the day your Lord's signs arrive, belief will not benefit those who did not believe earlier, or those who did no good through their faith. Keep waiting. We too are waiting. Indeed, you, O Prophet, are not responsible whatsoever for those who have divided their faith and split into sects. Their judgment rests only with Allah, and He will inform them of what they used to do. 160. Whoever comes with good deed will be rewarded tenfold, but whoever comes with a bad deed will be punished only one. None will be wronged. 161. Say, O Prophet, surely my Lord has guided me into the straight path, a perfect way, the path of Abraham, the upright, who was not one of the polytheists. 162. Surely my prayer, my worship, my life, and my death are all Allah's, all for Allah, Lord of all worlds. 163. He has no partner, so I am commanded and I am the first to submit. 164. Say, O Prophet, should I seek a Lord other than Allah while He is Lord of everything? No one will reap except what they sow. No soul burdened with sin will bear the burden of another. Then to your Lord is your return, and He will inform you of your difference. 165. He is the one who has placed you successors on earth and elevated some of you in rank over others, so He may test you with what He has given you. Surely your Lord is swift in punishment, but He is certainly all forgiving, most merciful. ये ख़त्म है अल अनाम द कैटल।